APIPlatform.io, a no-code platform for backend services by creating and connecting with APIs. This video will help you explore the APIQL engine. Start by logging into your development environment and then click on Test in the navigation sidebar. Click on APIQL engine from the options provided in the test menu. This will bring up the APIQL engine page where you can test your data access API. Enter the name of your data access API within flower brackets as shown. If there are no other versions of this API, the API name can be entered directly within flower brackets. Otherwise, the API version should be specified after the API name as shown. Next, enter the desired attribute name after the API name as shown. Select APIQL from the drop-down menu on the right. Click the Execute button to view the API response in the response body section. Similarly, you can test any API attribute name as required. Let us take another attribute as an example. Let us enter the same API name and version, but with different attribute name. You can now see the API response for the new attribute. We can also test the API by selecting the JSON option from the drop-down menu instead of the APIQL option. Enter the API name, version, and the attribute you want to test as shown, and click the Execute button, after which you'll be able to view the API response in the response body section. Build and test different type of APIs with APIPlatform.io.